Hello, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to plant Opuntia cactus on a pot or on the soil. Most people plant them like this, but this way they absorb too much moisture. Best way is to plant them like this and place a little rock or something to hold it in place. This way it gives it better balance, and you're going to have growth from the sides and the back, so it's going to grow into a bigger plant. If you plant like this, it's gonna fall or tilt, and it's not gonna have it's not gonna settle right. So you're gonna have growth here and here, and it's gonna get larger and larger, and you're gonna have a more stable plant. This way you can plant it in pots, and then you can also plant it on the ground like this. Same technique, just place the rock, and then you'll have a very stable plant. This I learned from my dad. He does plant a lot of cactus, Opuntia cactus like this. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.